AP Cram, Calculus AB, Free Response Exam Review. Question 44, Equation of a Tangent Line. Consider the differential equation dy dx is equivalent to 3 minus y times the cosine of x. Let y be equivalent to f of x be the particular solution to the differential equation with the initial condition f of 0 is equivalent to 1. The function f is defined for all real numbers. Write an equation for the line tangent to the solution curve in part A at point 0, 1. Use the equation to approximate f of 0.2. So this solution curve was shown in flashcard set 43. All right, so just refer back to that if you want to get a full overview of that problem, which was really straightforward as well. So after viewing that, I'll give you a moment to think about your solution. All right, so we're tasked with coming up with the equation for this tangent line right here, all right, that passes through the point 0, 1. And in this scenario, it's okay to use the slope-intercept formula because essentially the only thing we're missing is the slope. We know our intercept and we have a solution point, but we also know that dy dx, rise over run, or the first derivative, is the same thing as the slope. And we can figure out dy dx for f of 1 equals 0 because this is our point right here of interest, okay? So that's where we're going to start off. So dy dx analyzed at x equals 0 and y equals 1 is going to yield 2 times the cosine of 0. The 2 comes from the fact that when you subtract 1 from 3, because here our y is going to be equivalent to 1, you're going to get 2. And then the 0 comes from the fact that we're analyzing this at x equals 0. Okay, so the cosine of 0 is equivalent to 1. 2 times 1 yields 2. All right, so our slope is 2. We know that our y-intercept is 1, and now we're ready to continue on. So an equation for the tangent line is y is equivalent to 2x plus 1. We figured out our m, or our dy dx, and here we're given our y-intercept, okay? Now let's analyze this equation at f of 0.2, a little bit further out east from 0, okay? So f of 0.2 is going to be approximately 2 times 0.2 because we're plugging in 0.2 for our x value. That's going to give us 0.4 plus 1, and our f of 0.2 is going to yield 1.4. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. There are just a few steps involved. All right,